Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video for you about change of base. I promise this is going to be the last thing that we cover in homework 11. It's just a lot of material. So the change of base property, basically what we're going to use this for is to put logarithms into our calculator. That's what this is used for. If you look at your calculator, your TI-30X2S, or really any calculator that you have on hand, you won't really find a calculator that has any other logarithms other than a log base 10 or log button and an ln button, which is the natural log or log base e. Those are the only two logarithms that most calculators can evaluate. And so the change of base property, it tells us how to put other values into our calculator. And so because log base 10 and log base e are the buttons that are on our calculator, this is going to tell us how to turn other logs into those logs. So the change of base property says, sorry, I just need to get this ready. All right, so change of base property says that log base b of m is equal to log base 10 of m, the thing inside your logarithm, divided by log base 10 of b, which is the base of your logarithm. And again, you can use log base 10 for this, or it's the same thing if you use the natural log. It's the natural log of m, which is the thing inside your logarithm, over the ln of b, which is your base. So thing inside the logarithm over your base, you can either use the log base 10 or the natural log when you set these up. And so this is how we put things in our calculator. So let's come down here to number 1 here, log base 6 of 17. This says 6 to what power gives me 17. And the answer to that is going to be not pretty. It's going to be something between 1 and 2, because 6 to the first is 6 and 6 to the second is 36. But I'm not really sure exactly what it's going to be. To find the exact value of this, you put this in your calculator using the change of base formula. You can either do log of 17 over the log of 6, or you can do the ln of 17 over the ln of 6. Again, the thing inside your base goes on top and your base goes on the bottom. Either way, you can put both of these in your calculator if you want, and you'll notice you get exactly the same thing, 1.5812. Alex is going to ask you to round to the nearest thousandth. That's the third decimal place here. So what I would put into Alex is 1.581. So that's the change of base. And you can do this with any base. So number 2 here, to put this in a calculator, you can either do log base 10 of 19 over log base 10 of that 0.3, or you can do ln of 19 over the ln of 0.3. The thing inside the log goes on top, base goes on the bottom. You plug that into your calculator, and I get negative 2.446. And that's rounded to the third decimal place because it's negative 2.4456, and that would round up to 6 in that third spot. So that has changed base. Let me know if you have any questions over that. I hope that you have been chipping away at homework 11, so it's not too much material. Both homework 11 warm-up and homework 11 are due on Sunday, which is November 13th at midnight. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great weekend.